Hello guys, Philip here. In this video I will show you my personal method of trading all-time highs. I will show you how I set my targets, how I enter trades, and everything you need to know about trading in these pretty difficult conditions, for most people at least. In fact, this week was tragic for most people that I've seen on the social media. I don't really trade any retail method like ICT or SMC. In these conditions I just decided to follow the market, follow the flow, and obviously long all week pretty much. And my trading is based mainly on statistics. So let's start. In this video I'll break down two of my recent trades that I took on Topstep. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So bias obviously bullish. Then I saw this level getting taken and retested. Then I wanted some sort of confirmation, and I got it with this engulfing pattern. And then I waited for the breakout of this small level, and after that I entered. I didn't really have any targets yet. I was targeting 2R, but within like not even half an hour I would have been out of this trade, so I decided to hold it a bit longer. And after the IB was formed, which is the initial balance, so basically the first 45 minutes after New York Stock Exchange open for me, because I have it set to 45 minutes. And why I will explain in the later stages of the video. I decided to target 0.4 or 0.5, but to be honest, it was 0.4, and I will show you now why. On Edgeful, I came to the reports and I chose the initial balance. Then I chose the sub-report by levels. So in a breakout day, these are the chances that the price would go to these levels. So basically 0.1, 97%, and for me 0.4, 77. Pretty much same thing for 0.5, but I decided to just pick the lower level. So I had 77% of chance of hitting this 0.4, and this is data from the last 6 months. And yeah, it hit 0.4, then 0.5 and reversed. The reversal, you could also trade this, but I wouldn't advise trading shorts in these markets. It's the same setup like here, but to the opposite side. And there was also this hunt here, so it's even better looking. But yeah, it's still short in the all-time high. It's bad. And yeah, okay, let's go to the second one. I will use the replay so I can see the levels. Pretty similar trade, I would say. I was bullish. The markets were not really clean. We had this level that was broken. Then it came aggressively to tap into that level. I will make a video about these levels. It's not random, it's not SNR, normal SNR. It's something that I've developed throughout the years of my trading journey. And yeah, after tapping into this level, it was almost New York Open, and I was waiting for some sort of confirmation, and I got it. So basically 15-minute level, tapped into it straight up, and when it started going up I entered the trade here. And what targets did I have? So first target was this high. I think it was a 1 hour high, and the second target was this, but I had only a small runner for this one, so I'm not gonna include it as a trade because it was very small, like 5 mini contracts, so like nothing. Okay, so let's now turn on the IB again. So we had a breakout, obviously, to the upside of the IB, and again, point, what was my 0.5, 75% of chance to hit the 0.5, which it did, and it also aligned with the high, which was my target. And yeah, I could have held that much longer, but I didn't. I just want to be out of the day. You could even enter here, so many entries, but I don't trade these hours these times, and I wanted to be out of the market as fast as possible. So yeah,